Hi friends, my name is Vishal Batra. Let's understand this topic. The topic is arithmetic progression. The means of arithmetic progression. The meaning of arithmetic progression is the difference between two consecutive terms are always same. How we can say that the difference between two consecutive terms, that is equals to 10 minus 4. It is always equals to 6. Now the difference between 16 minus 10, that is always equals to 6. The difference between 22 minus 16, that is equal to 6. So we can say that the difference between all the two consecutive terms are same. So this is an AP, arithmetic progression series. So the next series is the 5, 7, 9, 13 up to so on. We have to check this series in arithmetic progression or not. How we can say that? How we can check that simply the difference between two consecutive terms are always same. So the difference between 7 minus 5 equals to 2. The difference between 9 minus 7, that is equals to 2. But the difference between 13 minus 9, that is equals to 4. So we can say that this series is not an arithmetic progression. First of all, we have to check the series in arithmetic progression. How we can check that? The difference between two consecutive terms are always same. So if the difference between two consecutive terms are same, then we can say that this series is an arithmetic progression. Now we have to discuss a formula that is equals to an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula, four terms are written, that is equals to a, n, d and an. We have to discuss these four terms. What is a? A is equals to always first term. What is a? A is equals to first term. A is first term. Now, what is D? D is common difference. Common difference. So we can check that in this series, the series is 4, 10, 16, 22. We check that this series is an arithmetic progression because the difference between these two consecutive terms are always 6. Then the value of a is first term, that is equals to 4. In this series, the value of a equals to 4. The difference between these two terms always 6. Then the value of these, that is equal to common difference. This is equal to 6. Now the difference between n and an. What is an? An is the term written on nth number of term. That is, in this series, four terms are given: 4, 10, 16 or 22. If we say that the term written on fourth number, that is equal to n equals to fourth, and the terms written on fourth number, that is equals to 22. So the value of an equals to 22. So now now you can check that the difference between n and an. Let's see an example. Find the eighth term of an AP 3, 7, 11, 15. So first of all, we have to check that this series is an arithmetic or not. How we can check that? The difference between these two terms, that is equal to 7 minus 3 equals to 4. The difference between 11 minus 7, that is equals to 4. The difference between 11 minus 15 minus 11, that is always equals to 4. So now we can say that this series is arithmetic progression. Now what we have to find? We have to find eighth term, that is equals to n equals to 8. Then and we have to find a8, that is equals to, we have to find that 8. How we find that? We have a formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, in which four terms are given, that is an, a, n and d. Now we have a, n and d, which is a equals to first term, that is equals to a. What is a? A is 3. The difference between these two terms, common difference d, that is equals to 4, and n equals to 8. We have to find eighth number of term, that is equals to a8. Put these values. A equals to 3 plus n equals to 4 minus 1 into d equals to, n equals to 8 and d equals to 4. So a8 equals to 3, 8 minus 1, 7 into 4, that is equals to 3 plus 7 4 the 28, that is equals to 28 plus 3 31. That's mean the in this series the terms written on eighth number, which is that is equals to 31. How we can say, how we can set it? A8. That's mean the terms written on a eighth number, which is equals to 31. So these